Are you looking to build a strong career in supply chain technology? Then SAP EWM can be one of the best modules to understand. SAP EWM means Extended Warehouse Management. Today, companies use SAP EWM to manage modern warehouse operations in a much smarter way. But the real question is, how do you become an SAP EWM consultant? What should you learn first? And how do you build the right roadmap? Let's understand this step by step. Step number 1, build your warehouse process foundation. Before learning the system, you must understand how a real warehouse works, how goods are received, how put away happens, how stock is stored, how picking is done, how packing is managed, how staging happens, and how final shipment is completed. If you don't understand the physical warehouse flow, SAP EWM screens will not make proper sense. Step number 2, learn SAP EWM basics. You should understand inbound process, outbound process, internal warehouse movement, stock transfer, handling units, storage bins, warehouse tasks, warehouse orders, and physical inventory. These are the core concepts that build your EWM foundation. Step number 3, master data understanding. In SAP EWM, master data is very important. You need to understand products, business partners, warehouse numbers, storage types, storage sections, storage bins, packaging specifications, and handling unit setup. Because if master data is wrong, the process will not run correctly. Step number 4, learn configuration and business scenarios. This is where you start moving from learner to consultant. You need to understand how warehouse processes are mapped, how picking strategies work, how put-away strategies work, how replenishment is planned, and how warehouse execution is controlled. A good SAP EWM consultant should not only know where to click, they should understand why a process is designed in a particular way. Step number 5, learn integration. SAP EWM does not work alone. It connects with important SAP modules like MM, SD, TM, QM, and sometimes production processes also. So you should understand how purchase orders, inbound deliveries, sales orders, outbound deliveries, quality inspection, and transportation processes connect with warehouse execution. Step number 6, move towards advanced EWM topics. Once your basics are clear, start learning wave management, cross-docking, labor management, slotting, yard management, RF framework, and warehouse monitor. These topics make your profile stronger, especially for real project discussions. Step number 7, get hands-on practice. Theory is important, but SAP EWM career cannot be built only by watching videos. You need system practice, scenario practice, error handling, document flow understanding, and real business examples. Try to understand how a consultant handles requirement gathering, configuration, testing, go-live preparation, and post-go-live support. That is what helps you answer interview questions with confidence. Becoming an SAP EWM consultant takes time, but with the right roadmap, proper guidance, hands-on practice, and real business process understanding, you can build a strong career in warehouse and supply chain technology. If you want to understand SAP EWM in a simple and practical way, comment EWM below. I will share a free EWM nutshell course with you, so you can start your SAP EWM learning journey step by step.